Hello my Glamsters, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another Glam DIY to share with you guys, and this time I will be using some crushed glass. Yes, items from the Dollar Tree along with some crushed glass. Gonna bling them up and make some lovely home decor. And these are the items we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright my Glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Okay my Glamsters, we're gonna start with this tissue box here. This wooden tissue box, and I'll be adding some silver acrylic paint. And we'll be painting everywhere. I'll give it around one coat, let it dry, and then I'll add another coat. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing fine. And have you noticed? I've got a new name for you guys. Yes, I'm calling you my Glamsters. Yes, that's the new name I'll have for all of you. I really appreciate all of you so much. And I've been thinking for a while of a name, and I came up with Glamsters. I hope you guys like it. So now our box is all dry. I placed 2 coats on it, 2 coats of the paint, and now it's all dry. So I'm going to use these bling wrap I got from Walmart, and I am just going to add it to the sides. And right here I'm just going to cut the strip to a slant so the edges fit nice onto our box. And then I'm just going to use some hot glue, and you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. I'm just using some hot glue. And we're just going to glue the strip going right around. If you're new to my channel and would like to become one of my Glamsters, I hope you hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share. Yes, it would be nice for you to hit the bell like I said and become one of my Glamsters. On this channel, I like to share with you all how to do glam decor on a budget. Yes, how to take cheap items, add some little knickknacks to them, and you have some lovely, expensive looking decor for your home on a budget. And here I'm going to show you once again to cut the edges on an angle so they fit perfectly. And now we are going to use our bling wrap, our flower bling wrap. We're just going to place it along, going right around our box also. And now we are also going to place the bling on the inside, on the top part on the inside, going right around our box also. Alright Glamsters, now this step is done. Got the bling flower wrap going all the way around our box. Now it's time to add our crushed glass. Yes, so we're going to use the clear crushed glass, and we're going to use some Mod Podge. So we're just going to apply the Mod Podge to our box. Now when applying this Mod Podge, don't add too much of a thick layer because it makes the crushed glass slide. The thicker the Mod Podge, or if you add too much I should say, it makes the glass pieces slide, which they already do have trouble. Adding crushed glass is not easy. When you add it, it is going to slide off. Some will stick, but majority will slide. But that's okay because you just let it dry, and then you add more Mod Podge and a second coat of the crushed glass. And as you see, as I put it down, I'm pressing it down a bit. Just press it down so the ones that will stick. Crushed glass gives you a nice effect. It is tedious to work with, but that's okay. Just take your time and do your project. You're in the comfort of your home, so that's no problem. Just take your time and do your DIY and it will turn out nice. So I'm going to apply the crushed glass to right around the box. Okay, so I've had it dry for a while. I started recording. At least I thought I started recording, and I did the other side and I wasn't recording. So I'm glad I noticed before I did the whole box. So anyways, I'm doing this side now. I'm adding some more Mod Podge to help seal it in. Remember I told you, when you do it, let it dry, add more Mod Podge to seal it in. So we're just going to dab it all over because we don't want no foliage once our project is over. And now I'm just gonna add some sparkle. Yes, you know I love glitter. So I'm just adding some glitter. And now we're just gonna do the top. Same thing, sealing in the crushed glass. It's already sticking, but just in case. And what I'm using is the Clear Gloss Luster Mod Podge. The red one, the one with the red label, gives you a clear finish. And they have the other one. The yellow one I think is a matte finish. But this one is a clear glossy finish. And that's what I always use, the red one, to help seal the top. And again, I'll be adding some sparkle to the top of this one too. Right around the box, I added sparkles. Okay, Glamsters, now it's time for DIY number 2. We're going to use our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I have the tall tea light candle holder from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using hot glue. And remember, I tell you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. And we are just gonna glue the bling wrap going all the way around the stem of our tea light candle holder. I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive, as long as I have it, you by my side. Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, you stay on my mind. And now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the small candle holder. Okay, Glamsters, now it's time to add our crushed glass. And we'll be using this teal color crushed glass along with some Mod Podge and adding it to our candle holder. So we're just going to place the Mod Podge everywhere, and then we are going to put our crushed glass on it. And see, now we're adding the crushed glass, but you know it falls off, but that's okay. That's okay. Like I said, we're in the comfort of our home, and we can just put some on, let it dry, and then when that's dry, we add some more. And I'm also putting it here at the bottom of our candle holder also. Okay, now the small tea light is dry. So now I'm adding a second coat of Mod Podge over it. Remember I told you have to put more than one coat because it does slide off, especially on glass. On the wood box it wasn't so bad, but glass texture it does slide even more. But that's okay, let it dry. And then you add some more, like I'm doing here. And I'm also adding some silver glitter. Right around, adding the glitter. You know your girl is a glam girl. And now the same thing, add more Mod Podge and add more of our crushed glass to the bottom piece of the tea light holder. And we're going to add some glitter down there also. Now we're going to take these 2 vases that we got from the Dollar Tree. Don't they look nice? OMG! They're with the turquoise color and everything. And I'm going to use my bling gems. Yes, from Totally Dazzled. You know I love my gems. They add just a glam touch to anything you add them to. So I'm going to add them to the front of our vase. And then we are just going to take our tea light holders, add them to the bottom of our vase just like this. Using some hot glue, some E6000, any adhesive that you would like to use, and glue them together. And here's our finished look, Glamsters. I think they look lovely. Look at the box with the crushed glass and our 2 candle holders. Yes, I love the turquoise color. OMG, with the silver. Doesn't that look elegant and nice? And our tissue box. It looks nice with the blue and silver bling wrap too. Oh gosh, it looks lovely. And the flower bling wrap, it looks absolutely lovely and elegant. I love the crushed glass on it. It just takes it to the next level. It's absolutely beautiful. And our turquoise candle holders, oh my gosh, I love it. With the silver, I love this color in the crushed glass. It's absolutely beautiful. And these two vases from the Dollar Tree that they have, what do you call it now? It's, oh gosh, when the color fade, ombre. The glass is an ombre color with the turquoise and ombre into the white. That's nice, and it's smoky. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm just gonna show you some more decor ways to display these items. I think they look absolutely beautiful. A ray of sunshine to help brighten up your home for your summer decor for 2020. I think they look lovely. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Glam Crushed Glass DIYs. And also leave me a comment if you like the new name that I came up with, Glamsters. Yes, I love it. I think it's the appropriate name for my subs on this channel. If you're new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY and you'll become part of Petalisbless Glamster team. Yes, that would be so nice. Alright, my Glamsters, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's Glam Crushed Glass DIYs that I had to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl. I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside.